Can't start your game because of the scripthookvdotnet version 2 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and let's solve this library conflict so you can get back to what matters. Before we begin our scripthook5.net version 2 walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the scripthook5.net version 2, the .NET scripting bridge used for modding Grand Theft Auto V, enabling developers to write mods in CBIS or VB.NET on top of scripthookv. It provides managed runtime integration with the game engine. If incompatible or missing after game updates, advanced mods may fail to load due to errors such as scripthookvdotnet core failure. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. For errors involving scripthook5.net version 2, the best approach is to re-establish your legacy gaming runtimes. Utilize the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to restore missing DirectX files, and refresh your graphics drivers if the DLL is linked to hardware acceleration. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered scripthook5.net version 2 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for scripthook5.net version 2 DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for scripthook5.net version 2. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved scripthook5.net version 2 error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.